Afternoon to all. As we have seen in our last video about module 5, that is Laplace's equations, and we have gone through the problems. Now next method in module 5 is Poisson's equations. So the Poisson's equation problem 1 goes like this: solve the Poisson's equation uxx plus uyy equal to minus 81 xy, where 0 greater than x greater than 1, 0 greater than y greater than 1. Given that u of 0 y is equals to 0, u of x 0 is equals to 0, u of 1 y is equals to 100, u of x 1 is equals to 100, and h is equals to 1 divided by 3. Then already we have seen the standard 5-point formula for the given equations are. Now you have to draw the table or a mesh like this. So you have u1, u2, u3, u4, and your u1, that is u1 of y. u1 of y is 100, u1 of x is 100. So here also 100, here also 100, here 100, here 100 it will be. Then equation goes like this: ui minus 1 e comma j plus ui plus 1 j plus I j plus 1 plus I j minus 1 minus 4 ui j is equals to h square f of I h j h, h square in bracket minus 81 I h into j h. So h raised to 4 minus 81 into I j. H value is 1/3, so 1 divided by 3 the whole raised to 4 minus 81 I j. So you have got minus 81 I j as the first equation. For u1 I equal to 1, j equal to 2. So when I equal to 1, j equal to 2, so what it will be 0 plus u2 plus u3 plus 100 minus 4 u1 equal to minus 2. When you simplify, you will be getting minus 4 u1 plus u2 plus u3 equal to minus 102. For u2, I equal to 2, j equal to 2, u1 plus 100 plus 100 plus u4 minus 4 u2 is equals to minus 4. Then u1 is equals to 4, u1 is equals to u4, u1 plus u4 is equals to minus u1 plus u4 minus 4 u2 equal to minus 204. Then for u3, I equal to 1, j equal to 1, 0 plus u1 plus u4 plus 0 minus 4 u3 equal to minus 1. So u1 minus 4 u3 plus 4 u4 is equals to minus 1. Equation number 4. For I equal to 2, j equal to 1. So u3 plus 2 u2 plus 100 plus 0 minus 4 u4 equal to minus 2. So u2 plus u3 minus 4 u4 equal to minus 102 as equation number 5. Simplifying the equations for finding out u1, u2, u3, u4. First we will be taking subtract equation 5 from 2. Once you subtract 5 from 2, u2, u3 will get cancelled, u4, and in terms of u1 it will be, you will be getting in terms of u1. When you minus sixth equation 5 from 2, second equation you need to minus from 5. So second equation is written, fifth equation is written. So u3, u2 will get cancelled. So you will be getting minus 4 u1 plus 4 u4 is equals to 0. Minus 4 will get cancelled, so u1 is equals to u4. Then equation 3 becomes, substitute u1 equal to u4 in equation 3. So what it will be, u1 minus 4 u2 plus u4 is equals to minus 204. Once you substitute u1 is equals to u4, you will be getting 2 u1 minus 4 u2 equal to minus 204. Next, and equation 4 becomes u1 minus 4 u3 plus u4 is equals to minus 1. Then you have u2 u1 minus 4 u3 equal to minus 1 as seventh equation. Now multiply 4 with the second equation and 6 with the following. So minus 4u1 plus u2 plus u3 is equals to minus 102. So you will be getting 2u1 minus 4u2 equal to minus 204. Now simplifying the equation, we get u2 will get cancelled. You will get in terms of u1 and u3 has the equation. u2 will get cancelled, so in terms of u1 and u3 you will get the equation. So adding 7 and 8 equation, add 7 and 8 equation, so you get 7 and 8. When you add, you will be getting u1 value, that is equal to 51.0833, and from equation 7 you will get u3 value. So your u3 value will be equal to, just equation 7 you need to substitute your u1 value, u3 will remain as it is, so u3 will be equal to 25.792. Next, from sixth equation you get u2 value, that is u2 is equals to u2, so u2 is equals to 76.5417. First write the sixth equation, substitute the u1 value in the given above equation, then u2 will be equal to 76.5417. We'll go to the second problem. Again second problem goes the same. We solve the partial differential equation delta square u is equals to minus 10 x square plus y square plus 10 over the square with sides x is equals to 0 equal to y, x is equals to 3 equal to y, with u is equals to 0 on the boundary and mesh length equal to 1. Hence we consider a h value to be 1. The standard 5-point formula for the given equation will be ui minus 1 ui plus 1 u comma j plus ui j plus 1 plus ui j minus 1 minus 4 ui j equal to minus 10 I plus j square plus 10. Next, for u1 I equal to 1 j equal to 2 gives you the equation u1 is equals to 1 divided by 4 u2 plus u3 plus 150. Next, for u2 I is equals to 2 j is equals to 2, you get the equation in terms of u2 equal to 1 divided by 4 u1 plus u4 plus 180. u3 is equals to 1 I is equals to 1 j is equals to 1, so u3 is equals to 1 divided by 4 u1 plus u4 plus 120. Next, u4 is equals to I is equals to 2 j is equals to 1, so u4 will be equal to 1 divided by 4 u2 plus u3 plus 150. Now solving the equation, solving the above equation, to get the values of u1, u2, u3, we go like this. So equation 2 and 5 gives u1 equal to u4. Thus the above equation reduces to u1 will be equal to 1/4 u2 plus u3 plus 150. u2 equal to 1 divided by 2 u1 plus 90. u3 is equals to 1 divided by 2 u1 plus 60. Now let us solve the equation by Gauss-Seidel iteration method. We have to assume the, according to Gauss-Seidel, we have to assume the values of x and y. Instead of x and y, you can consider it to u2 equal to 0, u3 is equals to 0. So u1 will be equal to 37.5, u2 will be equal to 64, u3 will be equal to 49. When you substitute, your u2 is equals to 0 and u3 is equals to 0. So you will be getting u1 equal to 37.5, u2 is equals to 64, u3 is equals to 49. Second iteration, we have to substitute the values of first iteration. So u1 will be equal to 66, u2 will be equal to 78, u3 will be equal to 63. Next, third iteration, we will be substituting the values of second iteration. u1 is equals to 73, u2 is equals to 180, u2 is equals to 82 plus u3 is equals to 66. 7. So you have to substitute the values of second iteration to get u1, u2 and u3. Fourth iteration, again substitute the third iteration values. So u1 is equals to 75, u2 is equals to 82.5, u3 is equals to 67.5. Fifth iteration goes like this: u1 is equals to 75, u2 is equals to 82.5, u3 is equals to 67.5. Since the values are same as in of fifth iteration, fourth iteration and sixth iteration, the values of u1 will be equal to 75, u2 will be 82.5, u3 will be 67.5 and u4 will be 75. So this completes the Poisson's equation. Where two problems are there, very simple, as we have solved the Gauss-Seidel method, Gauss elimination method. The same method you need to apply here. Only the thing is you need to substitute I value and J value. Then only you will come to the arrival of the equation. Use any of the method to solve u1, u2, u3, u4 and go for the iteration process. Once you get the values similar, then you can stop the iteration and tell that the values are same as below. Thank you.